What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right, so I have a transformation right here that I need to take care of. And what I'm seeing is that the parent function here is an x squared. So I'm going to say that g of x, we'll call it the parent function, is equal to x squared. So with that being said, I can just make a table of what the original should look like, right? So here's my x, and here would be y is equal to x squared. So let's pick 4 points. Let's use what? -2, 0, 1, and 2. Let's see that, right? So if I was to square -2, I get 4. 0 squared would be 0, 1 squared would be 1, and 2 squared would be 4. So I have -2, 4. I have 0, 0, and I have 1, 1, and I have 2, 4. Okay, so what is the first thing that needs to be done here? Well, order of operation tells me that I should do inside the parentheses first. So let's go and do that. And what is that telling me? Inside the parentheses, everything is backwards. So instead of adding 5, I have to subtract 5 from x. So I'm going to subtract 5 from x. And nothing changes on the y. So I have -7, 4, -5, 0, -4, 1, and -3, 4. All right. What's the next thing I have to do? So everything inside the parentheses done. So I come outside the parentheses, so everything is back to normal, right? Order of operation is normal. Everything's straightforward. If it tells me to multiply, I multiply. If it tells me to add, I add, right? And it affects the y value. So the next thing I got to deal with is going to be, because parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division. So I have to deal with that negative sign, which tells me to multiply the y by a -1. So I'm going to take the -1 and multiply it to the y. So multiply -1, multiply -1, multiply -1. Okay? Great. So now, what do I have? I got -7, -4, which multiply the y value by -1 really just flips over the x-axis. -5, comma, still 0. -4, comma, -1, and -3, comma, -4. Okay, so that just flips over the y-axis. All right, now, last but not least, I have this piece right here. Okay, so I have to add 6 to the y value. So add 6, add 6, add 6, and add 6. What does that do? It shifts up 6 units. Okay, so I guess I should do this. This is a shift left 5 units. The green flip over x-axis, and this shifts up 6 units. There we go. All right. So what is my final point here? -7, 2, -5, 6, -4, 5, and -3, 2. So if I was to get a graph right here, let's take a look at what that is going to look like. Okay, -7, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. Oopsies. So I should probably move this down a little bit. There we go. Okay, -7, 2. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. Right there. -5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. negative 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then negative 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay, so I'm going to have a graph that looks like this. Okay, I'm going to have that graph that looks like, I'm going to have a graph that looks like this. There we go. And boom, 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 and there we go. And then the arrows, and that should be my graph right there. All right, I hope that helps. If there's any questions, please let me know. See ya. Bye.